In this video, we're going to learn how to use Loft and mirror. So the very first thing is to click on the plane. So we're selecting top plane and then normal tool. So then let's go to sketch, then click on polygon, and randomly we're using a polygon of 6 sides. So this is just basically to teach us how to, Loft shapes. So then when we've drawn the polygon, we could actually let's just dimension it. So let's use about 80 across flat and press OK. So then we'll now go into achieving the next part of the loop, because loop basically is a shape, is creating a shape that has two different orientation. So you click on OK to close it. So now we've done the first part of it. So we have to go to the plane. That is the top plane in which we drew this. Click on it. Then when you click on it, we'll go to the features so that we can select reference geometry. So go to features, click on features, then click on reference geometry. Reference geometry enables us offset a particular plane. You understand? So this is actually a default plane, but want the plane to be different. We want to offset it higher to a different plane. So you see, we increase it. So I'm just increasing the plane randomly here. Normally you can type in the value, the distance you want the planes to be apart. So I'm just increasing the number randomly. So you can then click on OK. So we'll have a new plane. So these two planes are opposite each other. So I want to draw on the new plane. I will select this and go to normal tool so that it will be flat. So I would like to create the next shape. So you can actually draw a different object at this point in time, but I'll either use a circle or sphere or ellipse. So let me use ellipse. So when I click on ellipse, I'll extend it to any radius that I want. Then if I drop it, then I'll start expanding the ellipse. So I'm done drawing my ellipse, so I'll put it in isometric so that you can see the orientation of both drawings. So I'll click on OK. So and I'll close the drawing. So for the both lines to be gray in color, it's very important that you close both drawing. Then you go to Loft. So when you go to Loft, it brings out it asks you to select the part you want to click on. So look at the part. So I want to click the first and the second. So this is the part. So in various cases, you might have more than 3 to 4 layers for you to achieve a design, but this is just 2. So you can also twist it. Maybe you want to alter the shape of this very component. You want it to have a twist shape. So you twist it by dragging this point. If you move it align, so it will now give you a twist. So this is basically how to use Loft. Generally, you draw the first on a plane, then go to the next. You close it, open, select a plane, and use different geometry to take it to the next plane, and then you draw the next one and close it before you select the Loft. So I've taken away the plane that I placed. So let's mirror an object. So now this is the object we want to mirror. The very first you need to do is go into your features and click on mirror. Click on mirror. Then to bring out this drop down. Most times the drawing tree is being shown. You see, if it doesn't show, you just go and click on this arrow. It would drop down. If you see, it shows you the history of what you've done so far. So select the items you want to mirror. So I want to mirror the entire drawing. So, and the drawing is basically a loop and a shell. So when you're done clicking them, you go and click on OK. See, I have my mirror. So that's basically how to mirror an object. Mirror is basically just to replicate a shape. So that's it.